record. Now everything you say, everything you click on as you move through is going to be recorded. If you click on another link, it'll pull up that web page.
Will it? It will, and I'll put it in here?
Yeah, it'll open up. So you may want to adjust the size of this screen to account for more
Try
space.
that, would you please? Just so I can see what it looks like. No, it's not.
Is it hyperlinked?
It's got to be in presentation mode, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah, probably. Yep. Where's present on this guy here?
And you're capped at 15 minutes?
Yes. Is that enough time for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I'm in this mode here, I'm going to want to make sure that I have this fully expanded to the full screen. Okay? All right. So if I'm